This video is designed to give you a broad overview of the reports available to you within the DeliverLogic software. There are two quick ways to access the reports available to you. First, click on Reports in the blue bar and you will see categories to choose from the drop-down. Hover over a category to see the type of report to choose from and click on the report you want to run. Second, you can click on the Reports button to open a page that has the categories listed to the left and the reports listed to the right with a description of what information a report contains. All the reports have blue hyperlinks within them that can be clicked to take you to either order details, customer details, or the information from which the report is pulling from. All reports can be printed, saved as a PDF, emailed, or downloaded as a CSV file for spreadsheet applications. If you don't see a report with the information you need, you can go into the report generator and create your own custom report. The report data are broken into three sections: codes information if you are interested in coupon codes or gift certificate data, order information that includes data about your customers, and restaurant information that includes payment method, order placement method, and other data concerning your restaurants. Choose what type of report you would like to run and then select it from the drop-down. You will now have data that you can sort by simply dragging the name of the data from the available report columns to the selected report columns below to build the report. You can sort and filter the data by dragging the data from the available reports column to the appropriate box to the right. Custom reports can be saved so that you can run them again without having to recreate a useful report. These reports can also be downloaded as a CSV file to be imported into a spreadsheet application.